Hi, and welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how you can use the data analysis ToolPak to create a histogram. Now, if you have a version of Excel that is 2016 or older, I would actually recommend that you use the chart feature for a histogram rather than the analysis ToolPak because it does update. Remember that anytime you use the data analysis ToolPak, if you ever change a value, it doesn't automatically update. Okay. The other reason, if you do have an older version, I would not recommend using the data analysis ToolPak for your histogram, is that you can get a much nicer histogram with a lot less effort if you use the chart function. Okay, so for anyone that is using a version of Excel earlier than 2016, unfortunately this is your only option. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on data analysis, and we see down here we have an option for a histogram. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to select carving to conception interval. I'm again going to ask for the output in a new worksheet. I have to select chart output, and then if I wanted the cumulative percentage I would have to click that. For the moment I'm not going to do that. I'm going to select OK, and you can see here we get what Excel is calling a histogram. In truth, this is not a proper histogram, in part because these bins should be side by side, like the bars should actually touch. We can fix that fairly straightforward by clicking on that and reducing the gap width to 0. But the bigger issue is that we have these bins that are automatically selected. So it's saying anything less than 49 has 1 observation. From 49.1 to 67.4 we have 21 observations. Now you can leave it as that, but if you wanted to at a later point, for example, change those bin values, what you would have to do is set up a table like this which specified your bin range. So if we just go back and open the data analysis ToolPak, you will see there is an option here to select a bin range, and so I have this bin range here, and I could select that and rerun it. Sorry, it's used the wrong point, and sorry, rerun that. And the problem we have in this particular case is that there is a text field down there and it won't know what to do with it. So you do have to do a lot of fiddling if you want to change the histogram bin ranges. Personally, I don't think it's worth the reward, the time to do it. When I used to have to use Excel in this way, if I only had the analysis ToolPak, I would just let it do whatever it was doing and just do a quick look, because again, remember with the histograms you're really looking to see, do I have normal or non-normally distributed data, and you can normally work that out even if it's not a beautiful histogram.